When control of traffic is based upon an air traffic control clearance, that clearance is to specify direction of takeoff and turn after takeoff, track to be made good before proceeding on desired heading, level to maintain before continuing climb to assigned cruising level, time, point and/or rate at which level change should be made, and any other necessary manoeuvre consistent with the safe operation of the aircraft. For aerodromes with standard instrument departures, SIDs, the clearance will usually be of the cleared via type we have come across before. Departing aircraft may be expedited by suggesting a takeoff direction which is not into wind. It is the responsibility of the pilot in command to decide between making such a takeoff and waiting for a normal takeoff in the preferred direction. In order to avoid excessive holding at the destination, aircraft may be held at departure aerodromes prior to takeoff. Air traffic control will advise operators of any substantial delays, and in any case where the delay is expected to be longer than 30 minutes. Air traffic control will apply separation between departing aircraft by time between takeoffs. 1 minute separation is applied between departing aircraft if those aircraft are to fly on tracks diverging by at least 45 degrees immediately after takeoff, so that lateral separation is also provided. When a preceding aircraft is 40 knots or faster than the following aircraft, and both propose to fly the same track, the separation applied is 2 minutes. Where a departing aircraft will be flown through the level of a preceding departing aircraft, and both propose to follow the same track, 5 minute separation is applied. Action must be taken to ensure that the separation will be maintained or increased whilst the vertical separation does not exist. If permitted by the local authority, a departing aircraft may request to maintain visual separation in the climb subject to remaining in VMC, and only to a specified reporting point or defined time. We have come across this topic before. Remember, it must be by agreement between all parties concerned, in Class D or E airspace, in VMC, during daylight hours, and below 10,000 feet. Departing aircraft will be granted takeoff clearance when separation from arriving aircraft exists. There are 2 sets of circumstances to consider. Firstly, when arriving aircraft are undertaking a complete instrument approach, a departing aircraft may take off in any direction until the arriving aircraft has started its procedure turn or base turn leading to final approach, or in a direction at least 45 degrees from the reciprocal of the approach direction after the arriving aircraft has started the procedure turn inbound, and there will be at least 3 minutes before the aircraft is estimated to be over the threshold of the instrument runway. Secondly, if an aircraft is making a straight-in approach, a departing aircraft may take off in any direction until 5 minutes before the arriving aircraft is estimated to be over the threshold of the instrument runway, in any direction which is different by 45 degrees from the reciprocal of the direction of approach, until 3 minutes before the arriving aircraft is estimated to be over the threshold of the instrument runway, or before the arriving aircraft crosses a designated fix on the approach track.